let's make some ice balls. Howdy everybody, this is Ranger with another review. This time it's ice cube forms. This is really cool. It's from a company called Iduola. I think that's how you pronounce it, Iduola. They're silicone. They're little molds. Now this mold, as you can see, it makes spheres, ice cube spheres. This is the top of it, and you can see the little lips in here. You put these two together, and it forms a watertight seal inside. And then what you do is, through these little holes, you fill it up with water. I did some with green tea. I like green tea, and it's for green iced tea. That way, when this melts, it's just adding more green tea to the tea. Another thing, one of the pictures in the ad for this is it showed putting little sticks, because there's holes in here. You can put little sticks in here through the hole and make little lollipops or ice pops or whatever you want to call them. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to fill half of these up, and I've got three. I took some chopsticks and I chopped them up. So 3 of them is going to be popsicles, and the other 3 are just going to be ice cubes. And we're going to fill this up with orange juice. And this we're just going to fill up with water so you can see. What this is just cubes. Big cubes. Ginormous cubes. So we're just going to fill this up with water. But this is going to be cool. You know, for kids or even adults, it doesn't matter. You know, it's going to be cool because you can make your little ice pops, and they're going to be round. So I think that's going to be cool. Anyhow, I'll see y'all in the kitchen. Alrighty, we're here in the kitchen, and I've already filled this with water, so it's ready to go. Now what I want to do for this, for the thingies, well, first of all, I'll show you the tool I'm going to use, and it's a turkey baster. The reason I've got a turkey baster is it fits that hole perfectly. And that way we're not going to have any kind of mess or anything. So what we're going to do, we'll pull up some orange juice, and then we are going to start to fill the little balls up. It's taking a lot of orange juice. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, this makes some pretty good size ice balls. Lord, what noises. Almost got that one in one shot. Alrighty. One of the benefits to using ice cubes this big is it's not going to water down your drink. Well, of course, you're not going to water anything down with this because you put orange juice ice cubes in a glass of orange juice, it's not going to water it down. But if it was just plain water, melts slower instead of having a bunch of small ice cubes. You got one big ice cube in there. So, okay, got her full. Oh, crap. That's not what I'm going to do for half of these. We'll put these little sticks in there. There we go. Now, this all is going into the freezer, and by the magic of editing, tomorrow you're going to see ice treats. So, hang on, stay tuned.
The next day.
Well, here we are, the very next day. As you can see, solid as a rock. Look at them suckers. Now we're going to see how easy it is to get these out of here. All you got to do is just twist the rubber a little bit, get it to release. Then just pop out. Imagine if this was solid plastic. I don't see how you could get these out of here. There we go. One. I'll take them all out so you can see. Really, it's not that hard to get them out because it's rubber. There we go. Use the poop method where they poop out. I don't know about they pop out, okay. This didn't sound right. We're going to put them out of the mold. Anyhow, yeah, so they come out real easy. Poop. And there you have it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's a giant cube. Now you're probably thinking, well, that's crazy. Why would you want something that big? Like I said before, when they're just a solid cube, they keep your soda or whatever drink cold, as cold as crushed ice, but they don't melt as fast. So that's why you want huge cubes. Now for the fun part. Oh yeah, here we go. There it is. All right, we're gonna see how easy it is to get these out. I've done it with some water and some stuff, and it's really not that hard. So you just peel that off. Looky. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I think that is so cool. Then you just tip it up, pop them out of the top. Yeah. And there you go. No muss, no fuss. Anybody want a lollipop? Look at that. Isn't that cool? There goes my teeth. It is so good. I ain't gonna waste these. They're going back in the freezer. Well, this one ain't. I want to eat the rest of it. But yeah, you got a glass of orange juice. You got a big old orange to stick in there. Ooh, I put 2 in there. So now you keep it cool, and as the ice is melting, it just mixes with the orange juice. Another thing, if you got like mixed drinks, you could do this and put it in a mixed drink like that, and then just kind of swish it around. To kind of keep things mixed up. But hey, that's cool. think this is so awesome. Now my hands are all sticky. But that's it. Links in the description. God bless everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. And since it's summertime, depending on when you're watching this will really be cool for the kids. All you got to do, any grocery store has these chopsticks. You just cut them in half, use them for a little popsicle stick. I just think that's really cool and awesome. Great big chunks or little balls. Take your pick, cubes or spheres. Anyhow, God bless everybody, and thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.